Hi, I'm Chris Conley, CEO of C Solutions Inc. In this video, I'm here to tell you all about why your business needs custom programming. A lot of businesses go about doing business the same way year after year and it works fine and great. But then a lot of times though, businesses can run into doing the same thing over and over again isn't getting them the results that they need to get, and they've got a problem. Maybe their workers aren't keeping up, or there are not enough workers, or can't afford to get enough workers, or maybe a combination of these things, and a business could find that it's just not keeping up and getting everything done like it needs to get taken care of. Or maybe there's some new customers that you'd like to get, but you can never reach those because they're just too much to manage and just way out of your ballpark. And that can really stymie a business in its growth and its profitability. And so, business owner and business managers can come to the part where there's things that they just can't do anymore and they just can't keep up, and it's like, why can't we keep up? Why can't we keep growing and keep getting higher and farther like we used to? Well, the good news is custom computer programming can help close that gap, help your people get more done than ever before, and be able to lower stress because it's with repeatable systems that are simple and easy to train with. But before I go into details and all that, let me tell you a little bit more about my company's clientele. We've worked with Kimberly-Clark, Enterprise Rent-A-Car, the U.S. Navy, small businesses all over the world, and even a local bridal shop. So there's all different kinds of businesses and all different kinds of markets that we work with all over the globe. And I imagine we could take care of you and your business as well too. Since 2000, my company, C Solutions, has been helping businesses become more successful with high technology. I've gotten to see what software and systems help businesses and which are just an expensive waste of time and money. Let me tell you about custom computer programs. They can do amazing things, and what's cool about them, they can repeat them over and over and over again. You ever have an employee that did everything the exact same way every time perfectly? Well, more than not, you have it. I mean, people are people and people make mistakes. The great thing about computers, though, and programming code, it does the exact same thing over and over and over again. So the cool thing with that is once you've got your systems mapped out and programmed, they can just keep repeating and going on and on over and over again. And, it seems pretty obvious, but what may not be so obvious is what this can do for you and your business. It can let your people be able to get a lot of other tasks done that they normally were tediously working on day in and day out. Let the computerized systems take care of those tedious things. And then your people can be unleashed to be able to do new things for you and for your business, to be able to take things higher and farther than ever before. And also, let's face it, tedious things are tedious, and so your people won't have to mess with those tedious things, and that'll be lower stress in the office, and who doesn't mind that at all? For a lot of companies, at first, they haven't worked with the programming. It's like, gee, what's this stuff? And basically in programming, I can build amazing programs. I build incredible systems with anything from pieces that work with the space shuttle to oil field and health concerns, and also different kind of industries, but I don't really know these systems. I don't know these businesses and how they go. The way I've learned about them, though, is working with my customers, getting with them. We put together a strategy, we put together what they need to have done, and then basically we get those things back to me and my company, and we program those things. So then magically I make these really intelligent programs because I put in what the customer said they wanted to have them do and the different pieces, and then magically the computer smart with the customer smarts. And it's in a great repeatable system that works great and can be able to help take your business higher and farther. In the meantime, though, after you've got these systems running, all these tedious things that your people are doing over and over again, it's like, well, what can we do now? You and your business can start thinking about, what can you do now? What new things can you do? What new customers can you seek out? What bigger horizons can you do? What bigger profitable things can you be able to work with that you just couldn't reach out before? And custom programming could perhaps help you and your business be able to get there. In the meantime, computer programming, I know, changes a lot of businesses. It can help them a whole bunch. Some businesses, let's face it, Google. Could you imagine there's a little guy with a piece of paper that's trying to figure out, someone gets a request, I want to see a web page on, that ain't going to happen. They fulfill millions and tons of different requests any minute and second. It's all computerized. It's automated. It's amazing. There's no reason why your business can't have some part or all that intelligence and ability behind it as well, and be able to have all those kind of opportunities. I mean, Google's working with businesses and people all over the world all the time, and there's no reason your business can't too. And we here at C Solutions are here to help you and your business be able to get there. So if you find that your people are overwhelmed, not getting their tasks taken care of, things aren't getting done as often as they need to be, and they may not be getting done consistently as they need to be, it's a real problem, and custom computer programming could be the solution to those problems. And then after you've got those solutions in there, those things can be taken care of automatically. Boom, push of a button. It's automatically taken care of for you and for your people. Lowering stress, getting more done, increasing your profitability. It's a beautiful place, and we'd love to take you and your business there. So long story short, we've talked about why your business has probably got a great chance of needing custom computer programming. Basically because there's all kinds of things that are manual, that take a lot of work, that are mundane, that your people may not be able to keep up with the demand, that maybe they're not consistent enough. Computer programs and programming can take care of that. Anything that you're doing with a piece of paper right now, that needs to go away. Anything you're doing with a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, it could possibly be a lot better served with a custom computer program. And we're the people that routinely take those systems and build those for customers, and we can help serve you as well too. I'm Chris Conley, CEO of C Solutions Inc. I sincerely appreciate your time and I hope you have a great day. If you enjoyed this information and would like to receive other free videos about growing your business with high tech, visit www.c-solutions-inc.com/growyourbiz.aspx.